Kia Sportage QL. Tailgate replacement. 1. Remove the tailgate trim, A. 2. Disconnect the washer nozzle hose, A, and high-mounted stop lamp connector, B. 3. Using a screwdriver, lift the socket clips, A, up slightly on both ends of the tailgate lifter, B. 4. Disconnect the connectors and tailgate wiring harness, A. 5. Remove the tailgate assembly, B, after loosening the mounting bolts. 6. Install in the reverse order of removal. Tailgate adjustment. 1. After loosening the tailgate hinge, A, mounting bolts, adjust the tailgate by moving it up and down, or right and left. 2. Adjust the tailgate height by turning the tailgate overslim bumpers, B. 3. After loosening the tailgate striker, C, mounting bolts, adjust the tailgate striker by moving it up and down, or right and left. Tailgate latch replacement. 1. Remove the tailgate trim. 2. Disconnect the tailgate latch connector, A. 3. Remove the tailgate latch assembly, B, after loosening the mounting bolts, A. Installation notes. Make sure the tailgate locks, unlocks and opens, closes properly. Adjust the tailgate alignment. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.